Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Minnesota, loves nature, and currently are looking for a bird book that will familiarize you on the things about birds which are found in Minnesota? If you're living in Minnesota or want to have a book about birds, then the Wild About Minnesota Birds will be the perfect product for you. This item is a great youth guide and is prepared by Adele Porter. Introduce your kid to the beauty that nature offers. This book offers large photos, fun graphics, and kid-friendly layout. Your kids will be engaged in identifying the birds they see. Spend some bonding time reading and showing them the beauty of nature and birds. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or the library. This item can also be used in the classroom and any family-friendly activities. Do not think twice. Buy the Wild About Minnesota Birds today at a very affordable price and see to it that you have a very informative field guide about the birds found in Minnesota. Until next time, this is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds.